Our mission was to modernize our device. It was a clunky Windows-based operating system. Patients and physicians both found it to be difficult to use. And so we wanted to find a partner that could help us modernize it and make it easy to use.
So what we wanted to do was really take the feedback from the end user that's giving us the feedback on how to improve that user experience. The doctor, the physician, they want to stay focused on the patient. They don't want to have to be focused on the technology.
We wanted to move towards an embedded system that we had complete control over and that we would not need to regularly update when, for example, a new version of Windows comes out. So we were looking for someone who could actually take the core processing power that we have on the Windows tablet, embed that into a system specifically for our device. And that's really how we found Toradex and then PSA. So the discovery process was a really wonderful way for us to understand, okay, what are the actual requirements? What is the true user need? And by doing that ahead of time, we have a very clear and measurable roadmap with objectives along the way that make us able to kind of predict the cost and timing.
We took those business requirements, converted those to engineering objectives. And from those engineering objectives, we were able to go through and start to look at the technology stacks. We focused in on the Toradex. We also chose a UI tool, Flutter, to deal with the UI UX pieces of it to create a user interface that allowed that experience of workflow to be very easy for the technician or the physician.
For regulatory processes, we have to have a good idea about how long things will take. So speed is key, but more important than speed is quality. And a fast product to the FDA will take longer in the review. Should have definitely contacted you guys earlier than we did. Other than that, the only real challenge we had was just logistical. I think the biggest and most exciting aspect is to have the confidence in the product to put it in the hands of anybody and know that they're going to be extremely excited by it. This new version, I think, is going to be an easy sell, and doctors are going to love it. I'm very excited. This will be the first debut of the product anywhere.